Overwing exit operation. Two emergency exits are located over each wing. The exits can be opened from the outside and the inside. Inside opening instructions are placarded on the exit frame. To open an exit, the cover flap must be removed. The slide-armed indicator illuminates white immediately. To unlock the latch mechanism, the control handle must be used. Pull down the control handle and pull the exit top inwards. With a free hand, grasp the lower grip mould and lift the exit. Turn the exit inward and throw it out away from the opening. Should the exit opening not initialize the automatic slide deployment, the red handle must be pulled for manual deployment. If a ditching line is provided, it has to be fixed to the yellow fittings located in the exit frame and on the wing.